Good morning, YouTube. We are going to go to Cars and Coffee today, which I haven't done in a while. We're going to go with some old friends. So we got some old Michigan friends here in town. We're going to Cars and Coffee, but there's a big surprise from Stu's. The car is basically done. So Athletic Details has got it almost figured out. It needs a little bit more work, but it's going to look really good. So this is kind of like its debut. It's debutant. Yeah. Something like that. I don't know. Fancy words. All right, let's go to Cars and Coffee.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
All right, we're at the pre-meet for Cars and Coffee. I want to see Stu's car. He's got the heater going. How's the food heater?
The 360 oven warmer is it's epic. It's going, of course. I have to have it in Prius mode.
Yeah, otherwise it would be deaf.
Otherwise, yeah, it'd be kind of deaf. But let's take a look, shall we?
Yes, please, please. I want to see. Oh my God! We
are back to lines and lines of flavoring and smoke. Look at that. It's gonna be delicious. Just look at that deliciousness. Look at all that smoke. Look at all that flavoring.
It's not like going to a sporting event. You know, we're going to Cars and Coffee. But who says you can't tailgate? You should be able to tailgate.
Yeah.
So we're going to be tailgating at Cars and Coffee this morning. We're going to be enjoying some wonderful barbecue chicken, some of the award-winning barbecue sauce my grandmother, taught myself, my brother how to make. It's award-winning. Probably going to be looking for investors to be able to mass produce this barbecue sauce.
Ah, yes, that's what it's really about.
Yeah. Hey, no peeking.
No peeking.
Although that's tortillas, but yeah.
You got the tortillas on one side.
Got the tortillas on one side, got the barbecue chicken on the other.
Oh my God. That's my old 430.
Oh no, really?
Yeah. Oh, I missed that. Yes.
Is that tear to your eye?
Yes, Frankie's here. Yes. Oh, hell yes. It's like reuniting with an old lost lover.
What's up, man?
Yo, dude.
It's been like 6 months since this car's been here.
I have. I'm so happy to see my old car. I'm like, oh my God.
It's back home.
Yes.
So are you recording all of your nefarious activities?
tiny butt.
Okay, we're at Cars and Coffee, and there's an F8 and an Enzo. So we're gonna have to go check those out in a second. Look!
It wasn't enough long.
Look! It's my old. She's dirty. You need to clean it.
know.
I'm gonna give you all sorts of shit now.
It gets. I think it's coming up with this stuff. It's all like.
Oh yeah,
you
yeah.
know?
F8. Woo! Oh. Yes. I don't think you. I don't. You might fit. You might fit. Maybe.
Like this.
Do you know what the doors of this were inspiration for the doors on that? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, one of 349. Whew. Good Lord.
That's just an alternative.
And we even have an 812. Good Lord, man. Today is a good day. Woo. I'm hungry, man. I want some tacos.
You hungry? You want some tacos?
Yes. I literally did not eat breakfast because I was waiting for tacos.
Perfect. Okay.
All right, let's get some tacos going. Damn you. Got the sauce. Got the tongs.
Wait. Gotta warm it up.
Oh no, don't do that. I am not eating that one. Alright, we got chicken.
Alright, who wants to try the first one?
Well dude, you threw it on the muffler. I don't want to. I'll take one that's not touched the muffler.
Oh, come on. It's clean.
No, it's not.
You could tailgate at a Cars and Coffee event.
That was too funny. Alright, so let's see it. How's the cancer? I mean, it's gotta be mildly carcinogenic.
Alright.
Sir, thank you.
You're very politically concerned about it.
Yeah, I don't want chicken. Yeah, I just want no new cheese. Oh yeah.
I mean, it's legit.
It's still food. Yeah.
Does the job.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
You're a clown.
Like, wait, you already in there.
Yep. Taco.
I guess I have to buy a Ferrari now.
Yeah, that taco was pretty good. I think I'm gonna have another one.
Randy, watch. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so awesome.
All right.
That is my favorite.
Oh yeah. Taco. It's legit. Heck yeah.
Oh, look. Oh, it's a
Look,
tip jar.
you get a tip.
Yeah.
Hey. They're actually pretty good. I heard too. I'm surprised you haven't passed out from the fumes yet. It's legit, right?
It's tangy. It's
Legit.
It's definitely worth $2.
Yeah, yeah. Jeez, you think you can just show up late and...
Dude, I couldn't wake up. But I'm here.
That's fine. Hey, what's up, man? That would be the new Evo. Very nice. Yeah, me like you. I want to show something that I screwed up on when I drove this. All right, because I got a lot of grief. Hold on. Wait, I'm gonna pop in. All right. So let me show you. Right. Where is it?
Right there.
Damn it! Right there! It's even on the driver's side. God damn it. All right. Well, anyway, this one's got the cool screen. Look at that. That's actually. Oh, that's...
You get your navigation right here.
No way.
And you get if you have your media playing from your phone, I'll just show you real quick what my phone is. So this is a point of interest right here. Around me.
that's actually really
You
cool.
push
That
right here, it sets you in navigation for
that-
automatically.
I love that the passenger can actually like. That's really handy because you know, like
there.
you're always trying to drive and you're like, I gotta navigate and blah blah. Nice.
You can go, you know,
This is beautiful. I love the Alcantara inserts. It's beautiful.
Glitter right here too on the
Yeah.
dash. And also added the carbon fiber on the door handles too as an option.
Oh yeah, right there.
You can also opt for the longer paddles that go down all the way down to here.
Yeah, I think it's a good choice. You never have big enough paddles.
Never.
You always miss when you're not wanting to.
Also, if you want the edge, also painted the Italian flag. You can if you want to as well right here. Whatever you want. Also these as well here too. Whatever you want.
That is awesome.
And
God.
the C strap, also the Italian flag. You can.
Oh no kidding.
If you want to. Yeah.
Man, what a beautiful car. New Evo. It's called Get a Warranty, folks. See you, man. Dude, look at the Figaros.
I can hear Stu revving from like eons away.
All right, drama. We got drama. The invincible Porsche just broke. Oh. Oh, shit.
And when it's running and you let the clutch out, the car will lurch forward.
So it's in gear.
It's in a gear.
Oh, shit. You know what the problem is? I can't call Adams towing.
Right, yeah.
You can feel it catch right in there, but it's just not.
Oh, shit.
It looks like it's just a piece of plastic.
It is.
It could be.
Why would they put plastic on something that you bang around gears on?
Because plastic. The wonder material.
I see it. I see it right down there.
What?
You can see where it popped off the shift board.
Well, apparently Adams Porsche is now stuck in gear because the shift linkage is busted.
It's almost like it's a grommet that's supposed to go in there or something.
So you can feel it grab like right
It's probably got two shift
here.
cables. One does when you move the shifter. One cable touches forward back. The other one does
crap.
right.
No?
No.
Oh, we thought maybe the Ferrari tools could fix the Porsche.
No, it's
That's
not.
the, see, look at that. We got the official Ferrari tool.
See?
Ooh,
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
I would talk shit about how you're. I can't believe you're putting your peasant tools in my car, but your car moves and mine doesn't. So
Just for the moment.
I don't
This is
really-
a rare moment.
Yeah.
If this thing was an inch longer, that's what she said.
That's for beating people.
Snippy Ferrari owners.
Yeah.
That like to talk shit.
Hey, you usually
One time
start
a year,
it.
the one time a year.
Yeah,
they
you realize
can.
I'm taking this moment and running with it. This is like
I don't
gold.
blame you for capitalizing on it.
You do what you can with what you can.
Problem is, I don't want to force this stuff and break it.
Yeah.
But like, I can get it lined up. Come here on vacation and.
I know, like how is it every time you're here on vacation
I'm glad you're here though.
that one of my friend's cars or my car breaks right while you like are around?
Bad luck, I guess.
I guess so. Damn you, Andy.
See, that's what I was testing.
We're trying to talk over here. There it goes.
Gotta have the right touch. Pull the shifter back, or try to feed that boot down through it.
Oh, there we go.
Hey. Luckily.
Oh, hey, you got paid for it. You my 2 cents.
You want my 2 cents? Buy a Ferrari.
Hey, 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 hey.
Andy, what is it with you and cables? Every time you're around, dude, don't stand near my car.
Oh, that's right.
Hey, but do I not fix it?
That's true. Good point. That's valid. Very valid point.